You see what I'm talking about? All right, last one for me, Willie Doo. Google Maps takes nearly 100 drivers to a muddy field and then strands them. You gotta love that. You gotta love that headline. I mean, the headline got my attention, but it turns out, I mean, it's one of these stories. It's one of these where it's like, look, at the point at which you hit the dirt road, you start to consider getting out of there. You start to go, wait a second, I'm about to be in a traffic jam over here on a dirt road because Google Maps told me to turn left. It's like Google Maps told me to turn into the glass window of this office building. It's like, wait, what? Apparently, what happened was there was a closed road, and the sign had fallen over for the fact that the road was closed. And so Google Maps just routed people onto it, and dozens were on the same path, and they all ended up in this weird traffic jam. I mean, is this AI revenge? Is this the first taste of it? They're like, we're gonna be pretty gentle with it. We're gonna just punish you a little bit. We're gonna put you out in a muddy road, like sort of like a prank you would pull, like a elementary school prank. Make a left at the goat's tail. I don't know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? No, like a funny, like a lighthearted prank, a lighthearted AI prank. Like, let's just put a bunch of people in a dirt road traffic jam. Anyway, I'm sure that's not the case.
Well, how does Google know if the road is closed? Like, who signifies Google?
Yeah, well, the thing is, by the looks of it, you're looking at the images here. You're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's a pretty rural looking location. So my guess would be that there hadn't been any kind of update, no helicopter traffic report that could then be input into how Google typically would deal with a situation like this. They didn't have the feedback at the time being. But the individuals, they don't know that. You know how people use it. You just trust. You just trust and go.
Oh, yeah.
You're on the trust and go pattern.
Right into a lake.
And here's a quote. Why did Google send us out there to begin with? Why did Google, hey, Google, why'd you send us out there? You know? There was no turning back once you were out there, said one of the drivers. I know. It's a terrible situation. I mean, I have a little bit of sympathy. I guess these people had places to go. Imagine you were on some really serious trip.
Right. Yeah.
And you had a place to be in a quick amount of time. Now you're on this dirt road. Anyway, the road is privately owned and maintained, but neither the city of Denver nor the city of Aurora, this happened in Colorado, could say whether the dirt road was really closed to traffic. It seems like a bizarre situation. I don't know why it took this long to happen, but maybe it's been happening for a while and it just never hit the news cycle, and now we're seeing it. Look, ladies and gentlemen, here's the breaking news out of all of this. If Google Maps tries to send you down a dark alleyway, let me tell you something. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'll tell you right now. All right? This AI is playing tricks with us now. It's schoolyard pranks going on, starting today. Don't get stuck in the mud, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway.